Hello and welcome to a new episode of The Naked Turner. Today I just wanted to share with you some of the new pens I've been working on. Oops. See if I can stay out of the light. Jarrah Burl. This one is some Zebrano wood with acrylic. More Zebrano with acrylic. And some island ironwood. It's like a canary wood, burl canary wood. Some snowball acrylic. And this is a black rosewood, almost like an ebony with some inlay work. Some sapele, also with some inlay work to it. Some gumwood with walnut inlay. And over here we've got some more of the island ironwood with a bunch of inlay, double Celtic knots, just a simple one. Gumwood, Zebrano with some inlay, and another Zebrano with some inlay. Anyway, these are some of the pens I've been working on lately, and I just wanted to do a quick share, show you what I've been doing during this coronavirus time, trying to stay creative and make some new pieces.